So this is the trade that I took today. We had CPI news, so I knew that was going to be a really big move, and I wanted to trade after that. As you can see, we had a big red candle down, and we went down a little further at opening. So because we had that big fair value gap that was formed on the 60-minute, I was looking to get into a long position. I have outlined the fair value gap here in yellow, and I got into a long position because there was so much room for a retrace. I stayed into this trade for 10 points. There wasn't a clear point of exit. I saw that one level of liquidity there, and I saw that we had already hit it, but there was just so much more space to fill. And so I decided to stay into the trade for 10 points and just had to be patient and wait. There was a little bit of movement down. I was expecting that. That way I wasn't shaken out of my position. So I just stayed into the trade to hit my target. And here are my entries. I did enter on a 1-minute bullish breaker, and I have it outlined here in green. So you can see my entry point and my exit. And there is a lot more room for a retrace. I'm not exactly sure how much we're going to retrace, and maybe we go back down because there is more news in the afternoon. But I think this trade worked out pretty good, very clean. I had my breaker set up as well as my fair value gap to fill. So this was a really good setup for me. And I walked away with a profit of $900. So here is the entries and the exits again. Once I completed this trade, I closed the computer. Remember, you have to be a good risk manager to be a profitable trader. 10 before 10.